Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Douce eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. This one retails for $20 US on the Juvia's Place website. I actually thought it was discontinued because it hadn't been back in stock for so long, but recently on one of the Juvia's Place Facebook pages that I was on, I saw that it had been restocked. So I thought I may as well go ahead and swatch this palette for you guys in case you were interested to see what the shadows are like. So in this palette, we have 5 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. The pans are large and they do have shade names, which I actually really super love. Shade names are such a selling point for me with Juvia's Place, although, I mean, let's be honest, whatever Juvia's Place sells, I will purchase, even though the shades don't have names. But yeah, anyway, this is the Douce palette and I'm going to swatch it for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's get into the video. There you go, guys. Those are the swatches in the Juvia's Place Douce eyeshadow palette. The mattes, as you can see, they are pigmented, they are beautiful. There is no base on my arm at the moment. There's no primer, lotion, foundation, concealer, whatever. There's absolutely no product on my arm at all. But as you can see, with a bit of patience in building up with the colors, you can get quite a pigmented swatch right there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have found this series so far of swatches helpful, then please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to get your hands on this palette. I feel like it was there for a minute and then it was gone for a hot minute and then it was back again, and I don't know if it's still in stock or not. But if you like the look of this palette, which I really do, it's a very sweet looking palette, then I think it might be worth getting your hands on it, because who knows when it'll be back in stock. So yeah, Juvia's Place did it again with this palette. It's so pretty. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!